All right, so we're looking at test 1, problem number 14. So before we begin, why don't you press pause on the video and read problem 14 on test 1. Okay, so let's read problem number 14 on test 1 together. It says, which of the following equations gives the relationship between price in dollars, C, and the number of candies, N, in a box of candies at Carrie's Chocolate Shop? So do we care about Tamika's treat shop? No, don't even look at that column. Look at Carrie's Chocolate Shop. So what we see is that there are 5 equations of answers, all in slope-intercept form. So when I see slope-intercept form, I immediately think, how can I use my calculator to its fullest potential? So I've written on the board how you do that with your calculator. So I'm going to talk you through it. On your TI-84, you hit Stat, then you hit Edit, and this is what you see. You see a column L1 and a column L2. All you need to do this problem is put 2 points and their X and Y values in the L1 and L2 columns. So what we see at Carrie's Chocolate Shop is the first 2 points are 5 and 150. I'm going to write 1.5 for ease. Then our second point we see is 10 and 250. 10 and 250. Again, I'll write 2.5 for ease. Now, okay, so once we have our 2 points in the calculator, we can jump into step 2. Step 2, we hit Stat again. The next 2, we hit Calc. Then we hit LinReg, and our final button is Calculate. It is going to take those 2 points and it's going to spit out your answer. How good is that? So what we get is y equals ax plus b, but it tells you what a equals. 0.2 is what it'll say. 0.5 is what it'll say. You plug these in for a and b and you get your slope-intercept form and your answer is f. So why don't you go ahead, press pause on the video, use your calculator. If you have a TI-84, you will use these buttons. If you have a different calculator, Google it. It's very simple. This is absolutely the best way to do this problem by using your calculator to its fullest potential.